It's been absolutely ages since I've done a progress report and shown you around our garden, so it's a little bit rainy but nice and fresh, and hopefully should be enough light. So let's go. And this is the first progress report on our new smartphone, so excuse the wobbliness. So this garden's all prepared. We've got potatoes, lettuce, cabbages, some beetroot, random things growing in there. This big bin here is our compost, normal food compost. Yeah, lovely and messy. The children playing nicely in the barn. This is going to be a lovely patio area one day. They've got our tanks of water there that we fill up from our source. Raspberries popping up everywhere, literally. And our kiwi, look at this. It's growing really well. It looks like lots of tiny kiwis growing. Let's see if we can you see? Yay, and this is small red roses on this bush. Everything is just coming into life. Last year, the frost, the weather, the wind, the rain, everything, I'm trying to grow some roses there out of a stick, was just ruined all the fruit bushes. Nobody around here got fruit last year. Hang on, just closing the gate behind me. So this year we're going to be loaded with fruit. Oh, we got some tortoises. One of our neighbours moved away and very generously gave us some tortoises. Yep, we did have some before, but they sort of escaped, and never mind. Okay, I see these cross things here. That's some kind of willow, and I've put them in all the way around there to make like a hedge, a little hedge, a bit more privacy. Oh, look at this. Now, hidden behind this red bush is our stone circle. You can just see it peeking through there. Let's go this way. Our raspberries and blackberries are coming on well. This is our blackberry. And these are our trillions of raspberries. Our grapes are starting to come on, but we need to put some more ribs up to hold them up because they're all breaking. But it's looking really well. This is our well area, which is just getting better and better. I've got a sign on the gate saying please come in and sit down and listen to the water. And some lovely person came in while we were out, and I don't know if you can see some balancing stones just there, look. And they've been up through 2 storms. They've still stood up. I think actually a couple of days ago the wind knocked the top 2 off and Roy put them back. But anyway, yes, they've lasted all that time. So I wanted to do one now because at some point soon the sun's going to come out and all the flowers are just going to go nuts. So I wanted to capture the state of our garden now. This is probably the best grower in our garden. This is just 2 bushes. A friend gave it to us. It's a cross between 2 different berries, and that's loaded as well. I think they come out like a red colour in the end. Okay, I've made this cute little area down here which is slightly overgrown, but when we've got lots of water, this is like a little channel with loads of water flowing through it. So I just love the sound of water in the garden. And all this is our raspberry hedge. That lovely brown coloured, orange coloured hedge at the bottom was a hedge that we got given, but it had a huge shock. It's going to take a while for it to come back. I keep telling Roy, have faith, have faith. He says, it's dead, it's dead. No, it's not dead. It will come back. We'll see. These are our blueberry bushes. They're coming up really well. I think we ended up with like loads of peach trees. And that's our peach tree down there. You saw it in another video, full of pink flowers this year. But everything's looking so vibrant. Can't wait for it to come out in bloom. We've planted another little tree at the other side of our stone circle, and I want to plant another little willow hedge round the bottom. And Roy's worked really hard recently putting the strawberries, because this was a right mess. So that's to hopefully sort our strawberry patch out. Our olive tree looks like it's dying. So we looked it up on the internet, and we changed how we've done the soil at the bottom. It needs to have good drainage. Now it's telling me it's sleeping, so we'll see. Again, Roy says it's dead, but we're giving it a chance, and it's fine. Just like the hedge, it'll come back. I'm not going to walk all the way down the bottom, because you've seen the caravan before. Should we have a look in the polytunnel? Okay, go on in. Oh, we've dug out our cranberry bush there. I want to get a cherry tree and put it in there, but we'll see. Appetit, appetit. I don't like buying any trees and any bushes. You know, we're running out of space, so I want, you know, ones that I know that are really tasty and good quality. And we want to grow some cherries from seed. Right, excuse me a minute. I'm just gonna. Oh, there we go. Have a quick look. These are all potatoes on this side, because the chickens will be coming up behind me in a minute. The little buggers they are. Loads of stuff we've planted in there. Oh, garlic. Oh, I've got some ginger and turmeric we're trying this year. I think those look like Brussels sprouts and stuff at the end. Anyway. Come on, let's go out for the chickens. We're going to put a little wall. Well, Roy's going to build a little wall. Just here, sort of dig this out and build a little wall, and we'll have a little seating area there. What I wanted when we did the garden is to have loads of little pockets, little areas where we can sit. And oh my gosh, it's just the bigger the trees are coming up, the more lush everything is. Try not to wobble it too much. Okay, right, we've done that bit. Let's go through. Entering the circle, and I stand in the middle of here quite often. Oh, just do a. This is the new tree we've planted on this side. I don't know what they are. They're random ones that grow in the garden. We have to replant them. Now this is like a herb patch, which is coming on really well this year. This is where we've put our cranberry bush. Yeah, I'm doing a video. Come on out. Doesn't matter. Come on, come say hi. Yeah. It's alright, I'm talking to Roy. So we're going to put this patch is where we normally put the sweet corn, but I think we're going to do the squash in there this year. We've moved the sweet corn somewhere else. that bit behind the fence is where we do the swimming pool and our lovely big table and outside oven. And Roy again's worked really hard, and we're going to cleared this bit. We did have a big frame on it, but these are tomato plants.
Hello. Yes, under control this year, hopefully. Just need some soleil now, the sun.
You want to do a bit?
No, you carry on. You're all right. You're doing a good job.
You sure?
Yeah, carry on.
Oh, okay. We're a bit tired today. So the chickens used to have this whole huge patch here, but Roy's rotivated it, and I don't know if you can see there's little humps where the potatoes are. 5 rows.
5 rows of spuds.
So you do want to do it?
No, I can do. Yeah, come on.
Right. No, I'll film you. Just take us round this bit.
Okay.
Tell us what it is.
What am I doing around that
You
bit?
go first. Well, explain what it all is. Look, each bit.
I don't remember what it is.
Whatever comes to mind. Where are you now?
This is Ted's grave with a lovely blueberry bush on it. It was given to us, I think, by a friend, wasn't it? Yes, it was from Graham Bull. Yeah, so it's coming on nice with his little Buddha. This is the grave, or say graveyard, but it's a burial place for.
It's got a few chickens under it. And maybe
it.
a couple of cats.
And a few cats, yes. And a lovely tree that I saved. Well, it was that big when we first arrived, but it was growing too close to the barn.
It's now that big.
Now it's massive.
And the birds?
And the birds love it. This is the feeder we feed the birds with, and all the trees there. This is lemon barn, I believe. Smells lovely, yes. Yes, and it's taken over, which is really nice.
Yeah.
Looks like it's stinging now, but it's not.
There's meant to be lavender bushes in between this, but it's sort of
Lemon
dwarfed it, and it's growing everywhere. Yeah, lemon balm everywhere. It's a de-stressing plant, so that's good.
Oh, we go into our we'll get into it.
Greenhouse.
Greenhouse, but the door's a little bit kaput.
It's our little nursery.
Oh. Voila.
So all our little babies. And these are babies from last year, so we replanted them and they're huge. Oh look, they started seeds on them.
Yeah, they're going to seed. That's what we need. So they go to seed now.
Yeah, and we planted some stuff, and then it wasn't sunny anymore, so we're waiting for some more sun. So
we have plenty coming on in there.
Yeah, loads of stuff.
Loads of plants coming on in there.
We're growing as much as we can. Do you want to shut the door?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will.
Keep them warm.
Well, you try to get on here. So, it comes off the runner, doesn't it?
So that's a chicken pen at the moment, and we're going to buy some new chickens, hopefully, and extend the pen behind it.
You're going to go down through?
Yeah. I'll do another video in the summer. So.
This is our compost heap.
It's our humanure compost heap from our toilet sesh, our dry toilets.
Doesn't smell.
No, it doesn't smell at all.
Really good. With the sawdust, or as the French call it, sear, it really controls it. But yeah, it's coming on really nice.
Hang on, I'm trying not to get stung now with all the nettles.
These are stinging.
Hang on. Oh, loads of stinging nettles.
Just here. Is it? Right, you come through there, right?
Oh, you're going to make me walk. I'm not walking all the way through.
Yeah, you come through there, you can.
Really?
Yeah, it's easy. This is our
I've got the right shoes on. There's me just thinking I can have a quick wander out in the garden.
This is our willow hedge.
Willow hedge, yeah.
Willow hedge
which grows so quick, and we trim it back every year and get cuttings from it.
Yeah.
Right. Yep, just got stung and smacked in the face with something else. Hang on, oh my gosh, that's a big nettle. Yeah, right, we're going in the jungle now. I've spotted a big animal in front of me. Right, okay, let me wipe my face off. Oh, let me just do a quick
zoom round.
Yeah, and this is another bit of the hedge. You can see it's sort of greeny. Can you see?
Oh well, I don't know. I have to have faith.
I can see. Yes, you have to have faith. That's right.
I think it's kaput.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay, swinging back.
Back up into the polytunnel.
I've done that.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
So this is our lovely hedge full of roses which are coming up.
Did you do the strawberries now?
I've done the strawberries. Yeah, I've done most of it.
Have you done pesh?
The pesh tree, yeah. Peach.
That's right, the peach, yeah, pesh or
I've done most of it, I think.
Yeah, we're pretty good now then.
And this is our entrance into our chicken pen at the moment, but Roy's going to extend it all the way down there as well. So yeah, we're getting our privacy back. Look, all the trees are all.
Yes.
Can hardly see our neighbours.
And my truck is loaded up with nuts, bolts, screws, tools, and everything from my neighbour.
A friend.
A friend, yes. A friend gave me.
Hang on, where am I going this
Yes.
way?
Yes.
You going to walk back up with me?
Yes, back up through. I'll go in front, am I?
Yeah.
Yes.
Go look at your bum while you're walking.
These bushes are coming on nice.
Yeah, they were tiny a couple of years ago. Which literally.
Here's another tree that we had. I don't know what it is. Another tree that
Yeah.
grows somewhere else.
And there's tree there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, little trees.
Here. And there. And I've tried to stick some roses behind.
One right in the doorway of the chickens.
One in the doorway growing, yeah, in
Yeah,
the chicken pen.
Yeah.
We've got all this net over the chicken pens because the buzzards come and.
Because we had the little babies.
Oh yeah, and we have babies,
we had
yeah,
the
but we're
baby
not doing
chicks.
babies again.
No,
Why are we not doing babies again?
Because out of the 5 babies, 4 of them were cockerels.
Yeah, we've ended up with too many cocks.
Yeah, too many cocks and one full, one chicken. So it's well, think twice about that one.
Yeah.
We've eaten one of the cockerels.
Oh, we've had to eat a cockerel. Well, I haven't, but they have, yeah.
No, we ate one. We had a cockervan. It was very nice.
Yeah.
And that's it. Yeah, yeah. Have you been in the water area?
Do you want to go in?
Yeah, go on.
I haven't actually been in.
No,
I've just stood by the thingy.
I'm still
it's our favourite bit.
repairing this. I have to repair this a bit more. Getting there. I know it's glad.
Everything's looking so healthy, isn't it?
Yeah. And this is into our.
I think as years go on, everything's more jungle-like.
Oh yeah, standing stone.
Yeah, let's go closer to those. The balancing stones.
Yeah, balancing stone that somebody left here for us.
We still haven't figured out who did it.
Yeah, wasn't any of us. But no. Oh, the apple tree's bending over well, isn't it?
Yeah, we need to take that out in the autumn.
Yeah, yeah. He's got to be moved. He's not in the best place there.
And this is our dragon head. There's a couple of stones that need to be moved.
Well, we've got to sort it out. Yeah.
And hopefully I'm growing some nice flowers and I'm going to plant them all on there so it will look like a dragon one day.
That's our wood pile. That's oak there under this
yeah.
tree here. Is oak. That's going to be a good couple of years before we burn that. But we are very good for wood. We have
each year we get more
wood we're getting.
Organised, don't we?
Yes, yes. And then this garden in here, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good then.
Well, I haven't gone from this angle.
No. But we have 5 short rows of potatoes, pomme de terre,
yeah.
and 2 rows of cabbages, and the salad, as they call it, lettuce. 7 rows of carrots there.
Over there.
There. The cat has found a nice place to
poo.
The toilet. And some beetroot up there. Beetroot or beetroot. And on the end, sweet corn. Maize.
Yeah.
Still waiting to come up.
I wanted to capture the garden before it just went crazy with flowers, which I can't wait for.
Yeah.
And I love this little bit here.
Yes.
So we're just keeping things alive. Raspberry bushes to give to people, and there's our willow
edge
cuttings to make a little hedge around our stone circle.
Yeah, big edge there. Yeah.
So there you go. I don't think I can turn it around on us. So what I'll do is turn the camera around. I've got my finger on it probably, and we'll say
hello
bye.
And bye.
See you in the summer.
Yes. See you in the next month. The cow bells.
They can't hear them because we're talking all the time.
I think.